If you're looking for a highly educational market analysis, you're in the right place. This is the Transparent Effects Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about Euro GBP. Now, why do I want to speak about Euro GBP? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, then dropping down on the lower ones. We will also be checking what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on this pair. Now, starting from the monthly, what we can see is that from here the market created all this move to the upside. Again, here the market tested and immediately got rejected to the upside. At the moment, we're testing this exact same level of support and demand from which we could expect a potential rejection higher. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now here on the weekly, we can see how the market is currently testing previous weekly support here, now turn resistance here, which, since the market is currently approaching it above and testing it from above, is once again turned support from which we could expect a potential rejection higher. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here on the daily, what we can see is that in creating this correction to the downside, the market has created an M pattern. In fact, we had the impulse to the upside, move back down, move back up, and currently we are starting to print this M pattern. And in general, after the creation of an M pattern, you want to see the market provide a potential move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at the previous support turned resistance. So by looking at the monthly, weekly, and daily, everything is lining up for this potential move higher and completion at this previous support turned resistance. So there is a short-term longing opportunity. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the COT data, and we check the data for the euro, what we can see here is that net positions lately have been growing. We went from having minus 23.2k net positions all the way up to having plus 38.8k net positions with 218.9k longs and 180k shorts. So we went from having more shorts than longs from an institutional perspective to now having more longs than shorts. So the euro is pretty bullish. And if we go and see what we have on the pound, we can see how lately net positions have been increasing here. However, we still have a negative net positioning with more shorts than longs when it comes to the institutions and how they're positioned in the market. So overall, we can definitely expect some short-term strength of the euro and weakness of the pound, which is what we need in order to create this move to the upside and complete the pattern at the neckline. So how we will be approaching this potential short-term longing opportunity here with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market, as we will have, to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries at that point, we could be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete this M pattern at the previous support turned resistance here on the daily time frame. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. We are currently running a special promotion, And obviously in the mentorship program, first you learn all the rules of the strategies, then you also get a daily market breakdown every day showing you which pairs I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to ask questions and get the answers every single day. So it's a very interesting program and complete program. The link is in the description. To find out more about the special promotion, go and check it out, and I will see you in it.